Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your Bitcoin from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X. In 2025, with crypto security threats on the rise, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is one of the smartest moves you can make. This full guide will walk you through every step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a verified Crypto.com account with some Bitcoin in it, and your Ledger Nano X should be set up, unlocked, and connected to your device, either via USB or Bluetooth. Double check that everything is secure to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone and log in. Head over to your wallet section and select Bitcoin from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Once you're on the Bitcoin page, tap the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose the network. Make sure you select the Bitcoin network, not any wrapped versions, to ensure compatibility with your ledger. Step 3. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device. Go to the Accounts tab, select your Bitcoin wallet, and click on Receive to generate a new address. This address is your safe haven. Copy it carefully. Step 4. Back in the Crypto.com app, paste the address you just copied into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Step 5. Hit Confirm on Crypto.com, and you'll get a final verification screen. Double check everything: address, amount, and fees, then approve the transaction. On your Ledger device, you'll need to confirm the incoming transfer using the physical buttons for added security. Step 6. Sit back and wait. The transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm your Bitcoin has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.